Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. As you know, class, to begin our day we always recite the Durood Pak, and now after me all of you will recite these beautiful words. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Good morning, class 2. Welcome to English class. My name is Farwa Shaukat and I am your English teacher. To begin our lesson, we will discuss about the message of the day, and our today's message of the day is be grateful that Allah blessed you with things you didn't even ask for. कि हमें अल्लाह ताला का बहुत शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए कि उसने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारी नेमतें ऐसी हैं जो हमें बग़ैर मांगे दी हैं. जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स, we have our different parts of body, like we have feet to walk on, we have eyes to see, we have tongue to taste. तो ये सब वो चीज़ें हैं जो अल्लाह ने हमें बग़ैर मांगे हमें अता की हैं. Okay, so we should always be very grateful to him. Our today's topic is essay writing with the title The Mango Tree. Okay, this is a mango tree. If you can look at the picture, we can see mangoes on the tree. There is a big trunk, there are branches, there are leaves, and of course there are roots which you cannot see as roots are always underground. तो इस पूरे tree के अंदर you have all the things which a perfect or a beautiful tree could have. ठीक है? So this is a mango tree. Our objectives for today's lesson are, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to know the concept of an essay, collect the words for an essay about mango tree, compose an essay on mango tree. Okay, so before writing our essay, you should know what is an essay. What do you think an essay is? An essay is basically an organized piece of writing that focuses on a single topic. ये एक organized, एक proper sentences के साथ, proper information और knowledge के साथ एक ऐसी writing होती है या piece of writing होती है जो एक single topic पे based करती है. जैसे आज का हमारा topic mango tree है ना, इसी तरह mango tree पे जब हम एक organized राइटिंग लिखेंगे या ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेंटेंसेस किसी प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ लिखेंगे तो उसको हम ऐसे बोलेंगे. ऑल राइट, ऑन अ सिंगल टॉपिक. वर्ल्ड बैंक फॉर आवर टुडेज essay, as you see in the picture, there is a mango. It has a crown on his head, and there is a beautiful tree behind him. So the World Bank contains these words. Number 1, tree, branches, roots, twigs. You know what is tree and you know what are branches, roots, twigs. These are twigs. You can see there is one branch and it has two further branches. So this type of branch is called twig. Leaves, shade, wood, fruits. You know, shade, wood, fruit, ये हमें ट्री से मिलते हैं ना. हम जो ट्री है उसके शेडो में बैठते हैं तो वो ट्री गिव्स अस अ शेड. ट्री गिव्स अस अ शेडो, अ शेड. सो इट हैज़ शेडो और अ शेड, वुड, फ्रूट्स, मैंगो. King means mango is a king of all the fruits. As you can see in the picture that mango has a crown that specifies that mango is a king of all the fruits. Of course it is tasty. Summer season, आपको पता है मैंगो समर सीज़न में आते हैं, विंटर्स में तो नहीं ना आते. तो समर सीज़न जो है वो मैंगोज़ का सीज़न होता है. इट हैज़ डिफरेंट साइजेस, येलो एंड ग्रीन कलर्स भी होते हैं. इट हैज़ डिफरेंट कलर्स, डिफरेंट साइजेस. We can make pickles, jam and jellies from the mango, and it is pulpy and juicy also. Clear? This is a very easy and very clear World Bank for writing an essay. Alright, class 2. So now we will begin our essay by writing the first sentence, that is, a tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches. As you see in the picture, it is a big plant. It is a big tall plant with a trunk and branches. So it has a good size. It is long in its trunk and branches. Number 2, parts of the trees are roots, trunk, branches, twigs and leaves. I have mentioned all these parts in our World Bank. So it has roots, trunk, branches, twigs and leaves. Number 3, trees give us shade, wood and fruits. Okay. Number 4, trees can live for many years. जो tree है वो बहुत देर तक रहते हैं. Like we have a lot of trees in Pakistan also जो बहुत पुराने हैं. Okay, so they live for many years. Number 5, a mango tree can grow large. जो mango tree है वो बहुत large grow करता है. Number 6, it has brown branches and beautiful green leaves. Number 7, mango tree grows large and bear tasty fruit called mango. जो mango tree है उस पे जो fruit आएगा उसको हम mango कहेंगे ना, because that is a mango tree. See, we have a very beautiful picture of a mango. Number 8, mango is a king of all fruits. That is what I have mentioned earlier कि जो mango है वो सारे fruits का king है. Number 8, it grows in summer season and have different sizes. Number 10, mango is yellow and green in color. 11, mango is used to make pickle, jam and jelly. Number 12, mango is pulpy and juicy. Okay, so this is a complete information and organized information and knowledge and piece of writing on one topic. जैसे आपको पता है ना, हमने स्टार्ट में डिस्कस किया कि ऐसे क्या होता है, तो ऐसे अब इसमें हमने 12 लाइंस में क्या किया, हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड तरीके से एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे, मीन्स ओनली वन, देयर इज ओनली वन टॉपिक वी हैव टू टॉक ऑन, उस पे हमने 12 लाइंस लिखी. All right, so this is how you can write an essay. At last I would like to share your home assignment. In that you have to learn the essay and find some new topics for writing an essay about trees. ठीक है, आपने इस essay को learn करना. You can change the lines, you can add your own information as well, but be sure that the information should be very relevant to the topic. Okay, and the topics for writing an essay about trees. और आपने सर्च करना है कि और कौन कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं ट्रीज़ के लिए जिस पे हम लिख सकते हैं. Like orange tree, mango tree, we have done this one, and other trees also. You can find out the other name of the trees on which we can write. All right, thank you so much class. I hope you would have understood the entire essay. Thank you for your time. Stay at home, stay safe. Allah bless you all, my dear students.